Alrighty guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make from $1 to $10 over and over, and how you can make anywhere from 10 to 25% per sale, all from one website. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on it right now. Alright, welcome back to the video, guys. My name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com, and if this is your first time here to my videos, or you've first been to my channel here before and you still have not yet subscribed, I can't imagine what's keeping you back. Reach down there now, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly reasonably regular here on this channel. Okay? Alrighty guys, with all that out of the way, let's go ahead. Like I said, I was going to show you a place here today where you can make up to anywhere from $1 to $10 at a time, and anywhere from 10 to 20% per recurring sale. Okay? Alright, it's a pretty cool website, and we're going to come over here to our Opera browser. Alright, I'm going to come over here to this website right here. This is a really cool website. You can see it up here in the address bar. It's www.creativelive.com. creativelive.com. And what this site is this site sort of reminds you a little bit of Udemy. Don't get that confused with the other site called Udemy. Udemy is a solo ad site. Udemy is a course or class site where people can go and take courses. Well, that's the same thing with this site right here. They can come over here and take classes, and so on and so forth. They can take free classes or paid classes here. Alright, now let me say here at the outset too, what I'm showing you guys here today, I'm going to show you one method that you can market this with and make money with it. The other method, the other way that you're going to be able to do it is going to be through your own creativity and your own imagination, because this can be marketed lots of different ways, but I'm going to show you one method to do it with today. Alright, now first of all, let's check out this website here. It's pretty cool. And so people can come here. If you click on classes here, you see they got classes in photo and video. I mean, there's all kinds of different things to do with, like Adobe Lightroom, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and adventure and sports, and so on and so forth. All types of photography, aerial drone photography, filmmaking, iPhoneography, speedlights, videography, and so on and so forth. And it just comes on down, and they've got money and life, and I didn't mean to click on that, but it's got money and life here, and art and design, craft and makers, different things for crafts, so women's crafts, and so on and so forth. And music and audio. Some people like to get involved in audio engineering and sound mixing and songwriting, and even into vocals, synth and rock music, recording drums, and anything you want to do. If you want to learn how to play the bass guitar, you can do it with classes right here on this website. Alright, so what this site does is they offer these classes to people that want to enhance their knowledge in whatever their particular passion or hobby is or whatever, and they can come over here and they can certainly do it on this particular site here. For example, let's just take one of these classes. For example, let's go with money and life. Let's go with like self-improvement, for example. So if we were to click on that, it'll show you some of the classes that have to do with self-improvement. And you see that these classes are reasonably priced. They're not too overly priced for these classes here. And you can see the different things classes that you can get into, master your people skills here at $74 for that class. And you can see that people have reviewed these classes. There are like 24 reviews off of this particular instructor, and their ratings of the classes as well, and so on and so forth. And each class seems to run a different price, and so on and so forth here. So I mean, they can do that with every kind category here that you see down through here in all these different things here on the left hand side. Alright, so that's what people can do here, is they can come here and watch classes on whatever their particular hobby or passion is about now that they want to learn more with, okay? But what we're interested in is how we can make some money, right? Okay. Alright, well that's enough with this. We got this thing described now. Let's come out and find out how we can make a little bit of money with this, okay? Alright, so we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this particular website, and we will come down here to the bottom and click where it says right here, over here, join us, and it says become an affiliate. You see that right there? Become an affiliate. Well, when you click on that, it brings you over to this page right here. It says the affiliate program, make money by connecting your audience to great content, right? And as you see right here, you can make $1 for every new registration sign up right here. So everybody that you come over, that bring over to this website just for signing up, I mean, they haven't watched any video, they haven't bought anything yet, just for signing up on this site, and you'll get paid $1 off of that. And it's just simple as that. They come right here and click log in or sign up, and it's easy enough. All they got to do is click either sign up with their Facebook account or their Google account, and or make a local account with an email address, and when they click to continue or whatever, they click these buttons here for Facebook and Google, you get paid $1 just for the signing up. Pretty easy, huh? Alright, and then also for each other person that you refer that becomes an affiliate under you, you'll get $10 straight off the bat just for them coming over here and clicking on this sign up button to be an affiliate with this particular site. So that's two ways right there. That's two ways. Alright, $1 to $10 over and over and over as you promote this site or your affiliate program here, right? Now, if you notice right here, you get 10% of the revenue share for returning customer sales. So that, in other words, that means if they when they buy the first, let's say if they buy one course, you're going to get 20% of that. All right, revenue share for new customer sales. So if you direct somebody here to this site and they buy their course or courses, plural, you're going to get 20% of the cost of that course. All right, and then if they were to come back anytime later in the month or whatever, and they buy another course that they like, you will get 10% of that, the cost of that course. So that's 4 ways right there that you can make money on this website. Now, all right, so, but it's a little bit more than 20%, and I'll show you why I say that. Because if I, for example, if I come here and I click on sign up to be in their affiliate program, it brings us over here to this page. And if you'll notice it right here, highlights of the Creative Affiliate Program, it says right here it's 25% commission on new customer purchases there. So I'm going to be more apt to say it's 25% rather than the 20% that it showed on that other page. All right, so that's 25% for everyone that buys the first course, or courses plural. They might buy 3 or 4 courses at the first time they come here because they like it that well. So you'll get 25% of that purchase, right? Then any other purchase after that, when they come back and they buy a course, it's 10% commission. And then there's a 30-day tracking cookie, and you'll get a large selection of text links and banners. And you'll get newsletters with program updates, promotion contests, and incentive opportunities to be a part of this site and be an affiliate of CreativeLive.com. All right, so you can see right there, there's 4 ways that you can make money off of this one website. All right, now, like I told you earlier, I'm going to show you one method that you can market this with. All right, so let's just say, for example, we come over here and we click on the search engine right here. See that? And if I type in, for example, Adobe free Adobe classes. Alright, let's say somebody that wants to learn Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Lightworks or whatever their other programs are that they have, and people want to learn how to work with that, right? So we type in free Adobe classes, press our enter key, and we see that it comes up with some free classes here. And we have some free classes here like let's see, using Adobe Spark and Lightroom, Adobe Libraries, Adobe Photoshop Bootcamp. Let's see what that's about here. Well, that one's a paid course. We want the free courses. Let's come back here and try free Adobe. See what we get. There we go. That's what we're looking for right here. See, these are some of the free Adobe classes right here. This one here is $14. Here's a free one right here. Alright, and then here's another free one here, a free one here, and a free one down here as well. So they do have lots of free classes on this site that people can sign up for. Now, for example, here's the method of how you're going to promote this. Let's say if we're going to use Twitter. All right, we're going to use Twitter, for example. If you notice, I came over here to Twitter and I typed in here in their search engine right here. It says I want to learn Photoshop, right? And then I pressed enter and it brought up all of these right here. If you scroll down through some of these right here, you'll see here's a person right here. I can't wait to learn Photoshop. See? Another one down here. I want to learn how to Photoshop. You know, Photoshop. Okay, so I want to learn Photoshop. I mean, look at this all the way down through here. I want to learn Photoshop. I want to learn Photoshop. Lots of people want to learn Photoshop on this Twitter site right here. So how, for example, do you do that? Well, you take your affiliate links and you would come over back to this particular class, for example, right here. This particular class right here, Photoshop Week 2014. It's free, and they'll learn Adobe Photoshop and free photo classes she's offering too, this instructor Lisa Snyder here. And you will incorporate your affiliate link with this particular Photoshop class link. Alright, and then you'll just simply bring it over to Twitter, and you'll find somebody like this after doing a search for I want to learn Photoshop in Twitter. And you find somebody that says I want to learn Photoshop. Those words are in their tweet, and you just simply come down and you click on comment. It brings up the comment thing, and you tweet out your comment with your affiliate link laced with that particular Photoshop class for free, and then you send that to them by clicking reply, and it goes to them. And when they see that and they come over here to this site, and they'll see this class right here and that it's free and they can learn Photoshop for free, that they're going to do is they're going to sign up. You're going to get $1 for that, and they take this class and they do some more search on here about other things to do with Adobe products, and if they buy any of the other classes, you're going to make money like that too. Alrighty guys, so remember, here again, this is a numbers game. The more replies you send out to people, now don't just spam people with your link. You know, you want to give a thoughtful comment with your affiliate link, like something like I found this free course, this free Photoshop course, and I watched it, and it's very good. If you'd like to watch it, it doesn't cost anything. Click this link here, something along that line, and comment to all these people that talk about they want to learn Photoshop, and just send those tweets to them about that. And then you just do this. The more and more you do it, the more chances you have to make money. $1 just from signing up, $10 if they become an affiliate with that site, and then 10 and 25% on any of the products or classes that they buy off of CreativeLive.com. Alrighty? And now, if you remember, there's many other products in here. You don't have to do Photoshop on Twitter. What about somebody that wants to learn bass guitar? Right? You can do that. Look up for something for free to do with bass guitar on this site. And then offer that. Go to Twitter and type, I want to learn to play bass guitar. Right? And see if you can't find a bunch of those in there too. But that's just one site. Twitter's only one site to do that on. Guys, you can do this on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook groups, just Reddit, and it goes on and on and on. I mean, classified sites, guys. Use your creativity and your imaginations on how to market this, all right, and make yourself some money. Well, now all you got to do is come over here and take action on this website and start making some money with this. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's what I wanted to show you here. Now, if you want to quit fooling around with these low ticket offer things in these videos I'm showing you here, these methods, and you want to make some high ticket money that can really change your life, well, you want to click that link down there where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come on over and check out and put your name and email address into my landing page, and you're going to get a free video that will show you a method that I'm teaching you how to make up to $1,000 per month for free, just for signing up on my list. And come back and check out the business at the back of the funnel with Legendary Marketer, and meet Dave Sharp and let him explain to you how Legendary Marketer could benefit your life to a point where you could make up to $4,000 in one day. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. I'll see you again here in a couple of days. Don't forget to subscribe down there and hit the bell. Give me a thumbs up if you got the value out of this video. Leave any comments or suggestions down there or questions, and I'll get back to you with it down below in the comment section. And I'll let you go, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.